Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. So today we are going to discuss questions on map pointing friends, right? So it has been little bit delay because of the quality of audio is quite below, so now it has been upgraded, so you can enjoy the qualitative videos from today, right friends? So you can download the short notes of the Hindu and daily analysis, news analysis from the our Telegram channel, right? Next we move further. Here you can see WhatsApp group, right friends? You can join WhatsApp group on following number, that is 9640123412, and here we will conduct daily mains answer writing initiative friends, right? Next you can follow me on my Facebook page. You can subscribe blogs for getting an interesting articles regarding UPSC and other personality developments friends, right? Next you can join Telegram channel for getting an interesting various kind of PDFs. So here today's our agenda is questions based on map pointing, which is used for UPSC prelims and UPSC mains geography optional, especially friends, right? Geography optional, because in geography optional there will be given one question, and in that you will given the UPSC will give you 10 options. In that you have to write at least 5 points. 5 points means 50 words on each map pointing locations friends, where it is located and what kind. So you have to note, write everything, so you should know about the details, right friends? So here today we are going to see this about this 5 locations, right? That is Sriharikota, Hope Island, Wheelers Island, Sagar Island, Newmore Island, right friends? Next we move further. Here you can see Newmore Island. It is also known as Parbhasha and South Talapati Island friends, right? It is in the front of Sundarban Delta near Indo and Bangladesh border, Indo-Bangladesh border friends. It is formed in 1970, that is due to Bhola cyclone. It is formed due to the Bhola cyclone in 1970s, right friends? Next, it has mangrove vegetation. What is mangrove vegetation? I'll tell you now. So, and it has a fragile ecosystem. Fragile ecosystems means weak ecosystem, right friends? It is distributed between the India and the Bangladesh, that is here it is known as Indo-Bangladesh borders, and it may be disappeared due to sea level changes. It may be disappeared due to sea level changes. That is, however, right now the temperature is increasing, so it might be possible friends. So keep remind of these locations. Now let me tell you the meaning of mangrove vegetation. What does the mean of mangrove vegetation? Mangrove vegetation means is nothing but the salt tolerant trees, right friends? Here you can see that mangroves are salt tolerant vegetations that grows in intertidal regions of rivers and estuaries. Mangroves are trees and shrubs species that grow at the interface between the land and seas. It is grown in between the land and the sea in tropical and subtropical region of the world, right friends? It is grown in the tropical and subtropical region of the world, where the plants exist in condition of the salinity, tidal water flow and muddy soils, right friends? So this is about the mangrove forest, and the location is Newmore Island. So where is the location of the Newmore Island? That is, here you can see the Indo and Bangladesh border. Here it is located, your Newmore Island. This is the Newmore Island, right friends? So keep remember of the location as well, and the important points together friends, right? Next we say about the Sagar Island. It is one of the largest island of the Sundarban Delta at the mouth of the Hooghly River, right friends? It is the largest island of the Sundarban Delta. Where it is located? It is located near the mouth of the Hooghly River friends, right? Next, it has Sagar Marine Park. It has a Sagar Marine Park and Kapil Muni Temple, right friends? It is rich in mangrove forest. What is mangrove forest? In recent slide we saw about that. Next, It has a pilgrimage places specially for the holy dip during the Makara Sankranti. Right friends, so where is the location of the Sagar Island? We will see about this. This is your this is your Sagar Island. See, this is the West Bengal. Right friends, so this entire portion is West Bengal. Let me erase this and let me mark you in. Right friends, so this entire portion is the West Bengal. So this is the map of the West Bengal, and in West Bengal it is located nearby the southeast friends, southeastern region. So how you will denote that it is the southeast friends? So let me tell you, this is north, south, east, and it is west. So in between it will come as a southeast. Right friends, so it will come as the southeast friends. So if this direction comes here, then it will be called as southwest. If it is coming in this direction, then it is called as northwest. If it is coming in this direction, then it is called as northeast. Right friends, so in this way you have to mark the locations. Right friends, so it is your Sagar Island. I hope you can see here, and it is a Hooghly river. Right friends, next we move for the next location, that is Wheeler Island. It is Wheeler Island is a located nearby the coast of Odisha friends, and it is the northeast of the Paradip. It is just 10 kilometers away from the coast. Right, 2 kilometers long, and area is 390 acres friends. Right, it is 2 kilometers long friends. Wheeler Island is 2 kilometers long, and it is across 390 acres friends. Right, next it is missile test facility for the most of the Indian missiles. Nearest port is Dhamra port. The nearest port to the Wheeler Island is the Dhamra port. So you can see the recent test has been took place near the Wheeler Island, that is Agni 3 launched successfully. Right friends, so this is your Wheeler Island, you can see here. Next we move further, the Hope Island. Hope Island is a tadpole shaped island situated off the coast of the Kakinada in the Bay of Bengal. It is situated nearby the Kakinada. So Kakinada is located in the which state? That is in Andhra Pradesh. Right friends, it is located in Andhra Pradesh. Young island is formed in the last 200 years from the sand carried by the waters of the Godavari. So Hope Island is carried by the sand carried by the rivers, that is Godavari river friends. Right, here let me write, that is Godavari river. Next, protects the port of the Kakinada from the strong cyclone. This Hope Island will protect the Kakinada from the strong cyclones. Right, cyclones, tidal waves, and tsunamis. It makes Kakinada port one of the safest port in the eastern coast of the India. So there are over 12 major ports. Right friends, 12 major ports. What are they? Please do comment section and let me know that if you are not aware about the 12 major ports, and do comment in the section. I'll make a video on that also. Right, so we will move for the location of this Hope Island. So here it is your Kakinada, and nearby port is Hope Island, you can see here, and this entire coast is belongs to the Andhra Pradesh friends. Right, it is belong to the Andhra Pradesh. Right, so next we move further. Here it is the Sriharikota at the sea margin of the Pulicat Lake, or in Andhra Pradesh. In the Andhra Pradesh has the rocket launching station. It has the rocket launching station of the ISRO as well, and barrier island that separates the Pulicat from the Bay of Bengal. It is an island that which separates the barrier island that separates the Pulicat Lake from the Bay of Bengal. Right friends, connected to Chennai by expressway. Right friends, connected to Chennai city, which is in Tamil Nadu. It is connected by the expressway. Right friends, so let us see the location of the Sriharikota. So here you can see the Sriharikota, which is, so this is roughly, so here you can see this is the exact point of the Sriharikota, and here you can see the Pulicat Lake friends. So Pulicat Lake is the south of Sriharikota. Right friends, so in UPSC they can ask a direct question in prelims, right, like Pulicat Lake is located north of the Sriharikota, so it will be a wrong statement because Pulicat Lake is located south of the Sriharikota, right friends? So you have to remember this as well, and this is your Bay of Bengal, right friends? So next we see, that is it first. Yeah, and if you like the video, please do like the video and subscribe the video and share the video with your friends as much as possible. And if you don't like the video, let me know why, what is the reason behind that, so let me develop the quality as per the demand, friends, right? So that is it for this video. Thank you very much. Have a great day.